There's a moment in nature that almost no one ever sees. A crocodile drifts beneath the surface and sinks perfectly. Not too fast, not too slow, just silence followed by disappearance. No bubbles, no struggle, no motion at all. That precision isn't luck, it is an instinct. It's the result of a strange physics trick hidden in one place you'd never expect. Its stomach filled with stones. For millions of years, crocodiles have used this simple tool to engineer one of the most effective ambush systems on Earth. And once you understand how it works, you'll never look at this animal the same way again. Their story begins with something small. When crocodiles are tiny, their teeth are too weak to crush insects, so they swallow pebbles to help grind their food. A crude internal grinder, nothing more. But as they grow, their world changes. The prey gets larger, the water gets deeper, the hunts become more demanding. And those innocent pebbles evolve into something far more important. Adults begin swallowing stones the size of fists, sometimes more than 10 kilograms of them. At first, it makes no sense. Why would a predator weigh itself down? Why carry rocks that do nothing for digestion? Because stones solve a problem almost every aquatic hunter struggles with. When a crocodile fills its lungs with air, its chest becomes a natural flotation device. Every liter of air pushes aside a liter of water. Without something to counter that buoyancy, a crocodile would constantly drift upward, bobbing to the surface like a badly made submarine. But stones are nearly 3 times denser than water. Each one is a quiet anchor, pulling the animal into perfect balance. Without them, a crocodile could stay submerged for only a few minutes before rising uncontrollably. With them, an average croc nearly doubles its dive time. The champions can stay down for more than 30 minutes, long enough to stalk, wait, predict, and strike. And this trick isn't new. Fossils of ancient marine reptiles, plesiosaurs, show stones smoothed by stomach acids. They were using the same strategy 150 million years ago. The method is ancient, proven, and brutally effective. But sinking is only the first upgrade these stones unlock. Once underwater, the crocodile becomes a machine of precision. It doesn't swim, it doesn't paddle, it doesn't ripple the surface. It simply exists at the exact depth it chooses, held in place by the invisible math of its own body. Only the smallest bumps, its eyes and nostrils, break the surface. They form a tiny triangle, just enough to breathe and watch, while the rest of the crocodile is hidden under a perfect sheet of still water. And here's where physics hands them another advantage. Because of refraction, the bending of light between air and water, prey looking down can't see what's beneath the surface clearly. Everything appears distorted. A ton of muscle, teeth, and ancient engineering becomes nothing more than a crooked stick floating in the river. But the crocodile sees everything. Over years of watching, waiting, and surviving, crocodiles build a mental library of patterns. Where animals drink, when birds nest, when migrations pass through, where humans approach the water. They're not fast thinkers, but they are patient learners. Once a routine becomes predictable, a crocodile turns it into a weakness. Some have even learned the habits of villagers, slipping silently to watering spots before anyone arrives, waiting in perfect stillness for the moment livestock or a person steps too close. It's not malice, it's memory. Inside their bodies, another engineering trick activates. Their lungs aren't just for breathing, they're internal control surfaces. Move them backward and the crocodile tilts downward. Shift them forward and it rises. Slide them to one side and the entire body drifts silently in that direction, without a single limb moving. It is motion without motion, steering through stillness. Along the jawline, tiny black bumps hide one of the most sensitive pressure detectors in the animal kingdom. A single drop of water hitting the surface creates a vibration the crocodile can feel instantly. Fish, birds, mammals, it doesn't matter. If it moves, the crocodile senses it. Even in complete darkness, this animal knows exactly where to strike. And when it does, the attack is explosive. A single push of its massive tail launches the crocodile forward at nearly 20 miles per hour. The jaws slam shut with a force of up to 3,700 pounds, the strongest bite force measured in any animal on land. But powerful jaws don't solve everything. Their teeth are hooks, not blades, perfect for grabbing prey, terrible for cutting it. So they use something else, something older than humanity, something brutal, the death roll. They tuck their legs tight against their bodies, shrinking their radius. Physics takes over. With the same effort, they spin faster, once, twice, again, turning the water around them into a cyclone. Bones snap, flesh tears. The prey breaks apart piece by piece through nothing but rotational force. It's violent, efficient, and essential. What they can't chew, they dismantle with momentum. Even if teeth break in the process, it doesn't matter. Behind each one is a replacement already growing. Their jaws are conveyor belts of new weapons, ready for decades of use. After securing their meal, crocodiles drag it underwater. And here, their heart reveals another secret. Unlike most reptiles, crocodiles have a 4-chambered heart with a special valve that reroutes blood depending on what they're doing. Underwater, blood bypasses the lungs and goes straight to the brain and vital organs. When digesting, the valve sends carbon dioxide-rich blood to the stomach, triggering acid production 10 times faster than in mammals. Bones, hooves, horns, nothing survives a crocodile's digestion. This efficiency means one large meal can fuel them for weeks, sometimes months. While mammals burn energy constantly to maintain heat, crocodiles conserve it. They can warm their bodies using sunlight instead of calories, then cool off by opening their jaws or slipping back into the water. Their naps are their own kind of engineering. They sleep with half their brain awake, one eye open, the other shut, part rest, part surveillance. And as they grow, their survival rate skyrockets. A hatchling has a 1% chance of living to adulthood, but a giant crocodile, 95%. Size becomes armor, and energy efficiency becomes dominance. Large bodies lose heat slowly, allowing crocodiles to endure long periods without food, something smaller predators never match. All of this, precision sinking, invisible stalking, perfect buoyancy, silent steering, devastating bites, hour-long dives, emerges from a tool so simple it feels unbelievable. A stomach full of stones. The oldest hunting upgrade still in use today, unchanged for millions of years. Because it works. Because sometimes nature doesn't need complexity. It just needs physics and patience.
If this changed how you see crocodiles, comment stones below. Nature hides its smartest tricks in the quietest places. Subscribe for more stories where physics, patience, and predators collide.